In the vast expanse of the cosmos, our sun reigns supreme, its radiant brilliance illuminating the planets and celestial bodies within its grasp. But what if this celestial beacon were to vanish, plunging the solar system into an abyss of unending darkness? What would happen if the sun suddenly vanishes from the galaxy? The absence of sunlight would have a devastating impact on life on Earth. Within minutes, photosynthesis would cease, halting the production of oxygen and food. Plants would wither and die, followed by herbivores and carnivores alike. Within a few months, the Earth's surface temperature would plummet, reaching an average of -18 degrees Celsius 0 degrees Fahrenheit. The oceans would freeze, and the atmosphere would thin, making it impossible for humans to survive without artificial means. The other planets in our solar system would also be affected by the sun's disappearance. Mercury and Venus, being closest to the sun, would experience the most dramatic changes. Their atmospheres would quickly dissipate, leaving behind barren wastelands. Mars, with its thin atmosphere, would become even colder, with temperatures dropping to -143 degrees Celsius -225 degrees Fahrenheit. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune would continue to orbit their barycenter, but their moons would be plunged into darkness. The disappearance of the sun would have far-reaching consequences for the entire Milky Way galaxy. Without the sun's gravitational pull, the planets in our solar system would gradually drift away, eventually becoming lost in the interstellar void. The sun's absence would also disrupt the delicate balance of the galaxy, potentially triggering the collapse of star-forming regions and the premature death of other stars. In a universe without the sun, the cosmos would be a cold and lifeless place. Stars would continue to shine, but their light would be unable to penetrate the vast distances between them. Galaxies would appear as faint smudges in the darkness, their billions of stars hidden from view. The universe would be a silent and empty void, devoid of the warmth and beauty that the sun provides. The sun is more than just a source of light and heat. It is the anchor of our solar system, providing the gravitational pull that keeps the planets in their orbits. It is also a source of energy, driving the Earth's climate and weather patterns. Without the sun, life on Earth would be impossible, and the universe would be a much darker and colder place. In the absence of sunlight, life would be forced to adapt to new and challenging conditions. This could lead to the emergence of bizarre and otherworldly forms of life that are able to survive in the cold, dark depths of space. Without the sun's countervailing gravitational pull, black holes would be free to roam the galaxy, eventually colliding with each other to form massive black hole clusters. These clusters would be incredibly powerful gravitational objects, capable of warping the fabric of spacetime and swallowing entire stars. The Milky Way is a spiral galaxy, held together by the gravitational pull of its stars and dark matter. Without the sun's contribution to this gravitational pull, the Milky Way could begin to collapse, its stars and gas swirling inwards towards a central point. In the most extreme scenario, the disappearance of the sun could trigger a chain of events that would lead to the creation of a new universe. This could happen if the sun's absence caused the fabric of spacetime to become unstable, resulting in a Big Bang-like event that would give birth to a new cosmos. The sun's disappearance is a stark reminder of the fragility of existence. Our planet is a tiny oasis in a vast and hostile universe, and our lives are dependent on the delicate balance of natural forces. The sun is a symbol of hope and life, and its absence would be a profound loss for all of humanity.